If you want to perform a backup on your Samsung Galaxy A57, first of all, we need to open Settings. Here in Settings, we're going to scroll down, and we want to go to Accounts and Backup. And then in here, we have a couple of different options. For example, we can use Samsung Cloud in order to back up our data. So if you go over here, you might need to update Samsung Cloud, and you can also choose apps that you want to back up, and so on and so forth. And besides that, we can also use Google Drive. So if you use a Google account, you can choose backup data, and usually you can back up photos and videos as well as other device data that is listed in here. And also, last but not least, we can use the external storage transfer. So in this place, you should be able to have the option to use your USB storage. So if you have USB device, USB storage, flash drive, whatever, then of course we should be able to connect it to our phone, and we can use it in order to create a backup. Later on, you can also restore it. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.